Is your Apple Cash account suddenly locked down, leaving you unable to send or receive money? Let's unlock it. First, identify that your account is indeed restricted. Look for a notification, red exclamation point, or a message indicating your account is limited within the Wallet app. Once you've confirmed the restriction, tap on the More Info or Learn More button associated with the error message. This usually provides some initial guidance or explanation. If there is no instruction on the Apple Cash card, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. From the Wallet and Apple Pay screen, locate and select Apple Cash. On the Apple Cash settings page, you are going to see your account status and any possible reasons why it may be restricted. Unfortunately, in most cases, resolving this requires direct contact with Apple support. Use the Apple Support app or visit their website to initiate a support request regarding your restricted Apple Cash account. Be prepared to verify your identity and provide any requested documentation, like a driver's license or other identifying information, to prove your account ownership. Once you provide the requested information and Apple resolves the issue, your account should be restored, and you'll be able to use Apple Cash again.